just spending some time at my desk this morning. Data, cables, clients. Got to manage all of that. But I need some breakfast too. Ooh, nice, refreshed, clean, feeling good. Looking forward to breakfast, but looking forward more to the arrival of two very special people today, and the whole reason that I'm in the Emirates. So, let's get to it. Might be the biggest plate of dragon fruit I've ever seen.
No, it's medium one.
It's a medium plate. Wow, okay. Fresh hotcakes. How many hotcakes have you made in a day? What's the most?
What?
The most hotcakes you've ever made in a day? Too many?
Yes.
Too many. Too many to count. Unable to remember. Yeah, it's a lot. Good morning. Could I have an Americano, please?
You want tea? Black tea?
When I have breakfast, this is the breakfast that I want to have. 2 types of juice, cafe americano, seeded toast, a fresh, hot omelet, cool madmas with a little tiny bit of bread, pastries, a little waffle, nice dessert, and of course, granola, fruit, and plain yogurt. Come on, that's breakfast. Enjoy. You know where I'm going now, right? Of course you do. It's mid-afternoon. Went for a walk around. I won't make that mistake again around here because this is meant for cars or the metro, which is very good, very cheap. I think it's like €1 pound to go a couple of stops or 3 stops or whatever. So it's very inexpensive, clean, fast, and safe. Got a little shopping done as well, so that's helpful. Got some loratadine, easy, and also some of the electronics things I needed. So if you need to buy some electronics while you're here, then remember to pay cash price, asks for cash price. That's going to help you get some savings. Let's go to the gym. Nice. This way for La Vida. This way for the gym. I'm just wondering about pricing. How much would it be for eyebrow waxing
painting?
and shaping?
Let me check this. So you only want to do your eyebrows, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 42 different.
42 dirhams
Yeah.
only. And do I need to make an appointment?
You can do it right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Can I charge it to my room? Go left. A very hot sauna. Ooh, feels good. Go right. A very steamy steam room. It's for here.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Not for the pool.
Pool their towel.
They have their towel.
They have.
That pool has their towels. You have your towels.
Yeah, I see.
I'll put it back.
Huh?
I'll put it back.
Yeah.
I took it. I'll put it back.
Yeah.
So I go outside again for the gym. This is just changing.
And also a small towel.
So I change in here. I go to the gym. I come back here.
Yeah,
Change, then go to the pool.
This one go.
Perfect.
Yeah.
It's a big complex, huh?
Yeah. It's good.
Very big.
Yeah.
Very nice. How many members do you have here?
1,000.
1,000 members.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Mostly from the medical community around.
Yeah, all-
Doctors, nurses,
Yes,
lawyers,
all.
all of this.
Yeah.
Very good. Well, thank you. Thanks for the tour. I appreciate it. Thanks, Priyan.
Okay.
You're the best.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too. We'll see you later. That's a new one. Remember to always wipe. Thanks for keeping others healthy. And gym equipment in good repair. This place did a nice job on that. steam room, swim. I've done it all. And the man in the sauna, who I met over there, he told me, you know, the best summer in the world is Dubai in the winter. Seems about right. And as you saw, the sun is bathing the other tower in its golden light. And it's time to go double the amount of floors we're on now, 17 to 34. To get up, I have to go down. Yep. Down to the lobby, then to the other bank of elevators, and then I can go upstairs. Shrimp ceviche. Spicy oil. Perfect bite. That bed is nice. Freshly made after I got back from the gym. That's good. And the ceviche was delicious. Speaking to the barman, Bawan. Good fun. Now I'm waiting. Just waiting. Still waiting.
Hey, you two, good to see you. Where are you hiding? Is it seriously in there?
Yeah, it's in there.
Oh my gosh, it's so petite.
Yeah.
Wow,
in there.
we're gonna have fun.
I've seen it. What is it? It's a camera, huh?
It's camera.
Yeah.
Say hi.
You're on camera.
Hi, camera.
This is pretty sweet having music, huh?
Yeah. Chocolate cake, carrot cake, red velvet cake,
Should we get
everything.
3 baklavas and something else to share?
Yeah.
Oh, this is
I'm
something
happy with-
different. Can you do anything about this
Ooh,
here?
cashew.
Okay, let's get 3 of those and 3 of them. How about that? And a cup of
Sounds
tea.
good.
Perfect.
And a cup of tea, that's enough
Yep.
to tide us over till breakfast.
Yep.
Say good night.
So good to spend the evening with you. I love you.
Love you too.
See you in
Good
the
to see
morning
you.
for breakfast.
Bright and early, right?
Bright and early.
We'll be chipper.
Than we want.
Good night, baby.
Good night.
See you soon.
It's a good way to spend the evening. Good people. There's nothing else that matters, really. Well, good night, Dubai Creek. I think I'm gonna come float on you tomorrow. Lots of things to do tomorrow. Let's close that up. That's all closed. Adventure tomorrow. Got the adventure hat, backup hat, adventure socks, adventure shirt, adventure trousers. Guess we'll see tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. Oh, there's so much to visit in Dubai. What a city. Too many choices. I need a week here. I need a month here. I need 6 months here. But that's okay. Other times, other adventures, and planning travel to you. Good night.